Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Arruga stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, the front post single crochet stitch, and the back post single crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Then make 1 double crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Over the next stitch, you're going to make a back post single crochet. Over the next stitch, you're going to make a front post single crochet. Over the next stitch, you're going to make a back post single crochet. Over the next stitch, you're going to make a front post single crochet. So that's how those stitches are looking. You would now alternate between making 1 back post single crochet and then 1 front post single crochet until you reach the last stitch of this row. Once you reach the last stitch in this row, you're going to make 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. For row 3, we're simply going to be making 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 1 chain. Row 4 is going to be very similar to row 2, where we made the single crochets, back post single crochets, and front post single crochets. We're just going to be making the opposite stitches that we made in that row. So to begin, make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Now in row 2, we started with a back post single crochet, then front, so we're going to start with a front post single crochet first, then a back post single crochet, and now we're going to start alternating. Front post single crochet, back post single crochet, front post single crochet, back post single crochet. Now you're going to keep alternating between front post single crochet and back post single crochet until you reach the last stitch in this row. When you reach the end of this row and you only have one stitch left, work one single crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make 2 chains. For row 5, we're simply going to make one double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Arruga stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.